Hello viewers, let's convert MS Excel file to PDF by two methods, either if you do have MS Office installed or you can also convert the same by internet free website. So open Excel file and do the necessary formatting before any conversion or printing like landscape or portrait. Then click on file. Now click save as, select the location and save as type. Open this. Now come down and directly select PDF. Name it and click save. I gave it 1, so let's save it, and you can see the table is converted into PDF in appropriate format. Let me open direct from my desktop and it's in front of you. Now let's go for the second method. Even if you don't have MS Office installed on your PC, so click on the browser. And when the browser open, type ilovepdf.com and it appears. So click this Excel to PDF. Now select Excel file, click on it, click the file and click open. Now convert to PDF. Press this button and it's under process. Now click download PDF and let me go directly to download files, and the file has been converted into PDF in appropriate format. Thanks for watching.